Okay, so welcome back. Again, it's Big Muscle. We're on the hustle. And this is Mayfield that you're looking at. You look to the left and you look to the right. And what you can see is nothing but devastation. Okay, and you ask what date today is. It's December 21. So it's about 11 days after this mass devastating tornado swept through this area. Rubbles and piles. Now, you can look at the TV, YouTube, or whatever you're on, and you're viewing this thing. And I'm telling you right now, that you can't imagine what passed through here, how these people felt during the storm. You can't imagine this thing. Seeing it on TV, yeah, you see it on the TV. But if you see what I'm looking at right now, you can't imagine. Now, Mother Nature is a very powerful force. Nothing to play with. Okay? And I'm looking at this rubble and this place, and it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. The magnitude of this storm, tornado. Wow. The people who made it, I don't know how they did. This town is completely decimated. Now, you can see to the right, their excavators, looks like they're cleaning up. This is going to take months, possibly years. Not possibly, it will take years. This will take years to fix. All this rubble. Okay, to the left, you got this building that windows boarded up, closed. The whole town is torn down. My word. Now they got their piles of trash everywhere. They're gonna need help. The help cannot be too much. I don't think so. I doubt it. Okay, look at this church. Look at this building. Mayfield First United Methodist Church. Completely torn down. Now, if there's anything you can do in anywhere, you think you can help these folks down here in Mayfield, I would recommend you get in touch with the local people down here, the people in charge, maybe the fire department, something like that, to get some directives. Okay, so they have a food stall set up for volunteer ministries. They're helping out. Down power lines everywhere. They're down power lines everywhere. Okay. My word. Now, what I'm hearing is that some folks say that this tornado sounded like a freight train. It sounded like a freight train coming through. This is what I'm hearing. Okay. Okay, Willow Street, 8th Street. Now, for me, this is my first experience and view of what a tornado. And I think they say it's an EF3, National Weather Service. I think they're saying it's an EF3. At first, they were probably saying it's an EF4, but then they realized, no, it's an EF3. This is crazy, man. Like, you can't imagine this stuff. Miraculously, some people survived. I don't know how they did. Trash everywhere. Oh my word. Now, what I'm saying, if you're seeing this video, I'm gonna put this video. There's a man over there cooking. If you're seeing this video, when you see this video, if there's anything you can do to help these folks in any way possible, please do so. Get in touch with the local people down here. I'm pretty sure they have a mayor, a fire department, stuff like that, the police department. Get in touch with them and do what you can if you can. Because I don't think they can have enough help to clean this mess up. I doubt it. It's impossible. The rebuilding process here is going to take forever. Okay, so this is 7th Street, College Street. I'm currently on 7th Street. Yes, okay, so we're looking to the right. You see one house here with a tree completely in the house. Tree completely fell in the house. Okay, I'm looking at that roof and I'm seeing bricks on top. How did they get up there? The tornado caused that. Alright, so this street isn't, okay, so some of the houses here were saved. But right in the center right here, all these buildings, okay, looking to the right, you can see this building, New Vision Ministries, is completely gone. Completely gone, torn down. My word. Trash everywhere. Okay, so let's look over here. US Bank, 5-star. Okay, they lost the roof over there. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so this is, what's this? This is West Walnut Street. Okay, West Walnut Street. Power lines down. They have a generator over there. Let's see what's going on here. This is 6th Street. 6th Street. Okay, so we're gonna make a left on 6th Street. Left on 6th Street. This is my first, okay, so if I sound very exaggerated, I'm really not. You know, you're seeing it for yourself. This thing is, okay, that building is completely, what's that, the Progressive. Let's see over here. American Legion Memorial, that's completely gone. These stop signs are twisted. They don't work. Torn down. Alright, let's look to the, so there's a tent over there. The stop signs here don't, they're twisted, torn up. Let's see. Okay, the CVS pharmacy. They have a tent.